Okay, so for today, for reading, we are going to be doing Write on Reader Holes Chapter 2. The Camp's Not Fun, I believe it's called, page 12 and 13. So, your your story should look like this. This camp is not fun. So I'm going to read the story and then we're going to answer some questions. This camp is not fun. Stanley got off the bus at Camp Green Lake. Camp Green Lake had no fences, but Warden did not have to worry about boys running away. There was nowhere to run. Stanley was assigned to Tent D. In Tent D, he met the other boys. The boys told Stanley he would have to dig a big hole every day. At Camp Green Lake, boys dug holes. Stanley took a shower. Water was scarce at Camp Green Lake, so his shower was short. Next, Stanley ate dinner. The boys asked Stanley why he was sent to Camp Green Lake. Stanley told them the judge found him guilty of stealing a pair of sneakers. The sneakers belonged to a famous basketball player. Stanley told the boys how it happened. He was walking home. Stanley told the boys how it happened. So we'll go ahead and stop the story there because it's pretty long. So let's go ahead and complete the sentence. The judge found him guilty of stealing a pair of candy, toys, or sneakers. Answer the question. Next question. The sneakers belong to a famous basketball player, swimmer, or dancer. Answered the question. If you need time, go ahead and find your worksheets. I apologize, I did not say that at the beginning of the video. Your worksheets should be together with that story. If not, they're in the packet. They should be in the packet. Next question. Please complete the sentence. Stanley took a shower or a nap. What did Stanley do? Did he shower or did he take a nap? Now let's give our opinion. Do you think Camp Green Lake was fun? Give me 2 or 3 words if you think Camp Green Lake was fun. Yes, Camp Green Lake was fun. Or 2, no, Camp Green Lake was not fun. Choose one of these and write it right here in the lines. Once you complete your work, make sure you take a picture. Next one, support your opinion. I think Camp Green Lake was or was not fun because 1, Stanley could swim all day. 2, Stanley could meet friends, or Stanley had to dig holes all day. Choose one of these answers and write it right here. First circle one of these and then choose one of these and write it here. And that's it for today. So go ahead and submit your picture and we can input your grade. Have a good day. If you have any questions, feel free to message.